What's up guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to draw Mahito, the cursed spirit from Jujutsu Kaisen. Kind of the main villain so far in the anime. So, landscape orientation page, use a pencil and hit pause if I go too fast. So we're going to start in the center point of my page. So find about the center point of your page and come up over to the right hand side a little bit. We're going to start with his right eyelid. So we will so he's got kind of sad eyes, right? So he kind of like comes across at first and then down, like so. Okay, you can thicken this eyelid up a little bit. Like so, and he does have sort of some sections kind of sticking off, like so. So we got like dark section coming down from his eyelid there, and then from the back we go down and then up to there. Very particular kind of shape, downturned kind of eyes, and thicker line on top. That's what you gotta remember. Right, so then his iris and his pupil. So we got like kind of a half circle just there with a pupil pretty much in the middle. And he's got some eyelashes, actually, I forgot them sticking off there. So he's got an eyelid line on top, like so, and some lines just around his eye like that. Right, so we're about eye distance across, so measure the width of his eye, and you can fit that in between his two eyes. So this is where his next eye will start, right? So width of his eye fits in here, and then next eye starts here, right? And we do that sort of same sort of shape again, right? So we go just this diagonal part up, and then we'll bring it over, like so, and down to there. Just a curved line across, and you can thicken it up. And we'll add the eyelashes and sort of the spiking part that like sticks off here. Maybe like another piece sticking off here, some eyelashes, one or two, or three. Like so, and then we'll add eyelid line across like that, and then we do the back bottom of his eye down there. Iris curves around just like a circle, and pupil in the middle. And again, he's got some sort of like lines around his eyes, bags around his eyes. So his nose, so pretty simple, line straight down. It's not like bang in the middle, it's a little bit over to the right. And then his nostrils, just down here, like so. And his mouth, so he's got a big smile, right? So it starts like underneath his pupils, just down here, on there, like so. So both of them start underneath his eye, see that? And then we just do a line straight across, but they don't meet. They don't touch there at the end. And then bottom lip line, just there. Then a line for his chin, just down here. Right, so proportion wise, because his eyes are kind of downturned, we're kind of out of proportion. So we go top eyelid to nostrils is about the same as nostrils to chin. Okay, top eyelid to nostrils about the same as nostrils to chin, and then nostrils to bottom lip line about the same as bottom lip line to chin. So the nostrils are halfway between the top eyelid and the chin, and then his bottom lip line is halfway between nostrils and chin. So there are your kind of distances you're looking for. Once you get that, we go up for his jaw. And we meet hair just about mouth level here, so you don't go the whole way. Okay. And then we got like hair and fringe coming down the center of his face. So spike line there. And we just keep adding these up and around. Like so. So this is like the top of his forehead area. That's about how high up you want to go, right? And it's about from the top eyelid to the top of his forehead, same as top eyelid maybe to his nose there. Okay? So here to here, about the same as here to here. So just so you don't make his forehead like too big or anything. So then we'll go back down. Down across his nose. Back up to there. And he does have eyebrows, but we'll add them when we have his hair done. Like so. So, and down to here, to there, like so, and then this, we've got a few more down here as well. Like that, right? So we'll add those eyebrows while we're up here. So I'd say about here. And they're slightly thicker on the ends, close to his nose, right? Right, so he's got all these scars on his face, okay? So we've got like stitches and then scars. So we'll do the stitches first. I guess we'll do, so like there's 2 here. And then we'll join them together with scar lines. So 2 here. 1, 2, 2 here on his cheek. And then they go up and there's 2 more under his hair. Right, so these lines are all joined together with scar lines. Across his nose. Like so, and maybe another one up here. Going that way. Right, so his neck. So just a neckline, just down in here. Neckline down there. And then his trapezius comes off like so. I'm doing his neck first, just because some of his hair goes in behind it. Okay, just in case you're wondering why is he doing the neck first and not finishing his head. So we just do the neck first because we got like some hair back here. So the top of his head is right up at the top of my page, okay? So just up here. And then this goes down like so. We got like real long hair. Goes down in behind his shoulder, right? And same pretty much on the other side, except this has got like some hair that grows down. So that like sticks out here, and then this is like a long ponytail. Like so, right? So generally, that's the kind of shape for his head. And then more sort of texture lines here, here. And then this long ponytail that comes down. So like, comes around here, comes up into there. Some lines that side, to there, there. So there. So long hair, right? And then, so t-shirt. Down like so, up, down. To there. And then like he's got like a sleeveless shirt on. And then kind of bumps out. And then his shoulder comes down that way. You could have like an armpit line or clothesline or something like that. And he's got stitches coming across his neck. Like so, and then a scar. Real Frankenstein character. Kind of like him. He's a good villain, I think. I like him so far anyway. But I've always had a fondness for Frankenstein as well. So yeah, I love that story. Frankenstein's monster. So just neck muscle lines here. And then more hairlines. Did you know Frankenstein is not Frankenstein's name? Just bringing up his head here, sorry, a little bit on this side. I think it's a little bit flat here. And just make it a bit more even on both sides. We'll just erase some of that black. A little bit better, and he's got like a sort of a hair spike right in the center there as well. And maybe another texture line, right? And lastly, shoulder kind of sticking off here. It's not a sleeveless, so this is like a sleeveless, and you can see his skin here. This is just kind of standard shoulder going off down that way, like a jacket or something like that. Okay, but I think that that is everything. How to draw Mahito, the cursed spirit from Jujutsu Kaisen. Hope it was helpful, guys. Thanks very much for watching as usual, and see you in the next one.